Hi, hello everyone. How are y'all today? First thing first, my name is Chastity. I have my name on all of my social media and all of my everything on the internet says Chastity. There is a growing trend recently on the internet. People want to seem to refer to me as less than that, like you want to shorten my name. I don't know why you're doing that, but stop, please. I give you my name. My name is Chastity. And you're typing. I don't know why it's hard for you to type the last half of my name. You're halfway there, guys. Come on. My name is Chastity. Just refer to and address me as the name that I give you, and nothing less. Okay? Great. Let's put the makeup on. Okay, so I might be looking in here to do my makeup or the mirror. I don't know. So if I don't be looking at you, you know. But yes. I mean, that needed to be said because I don't want people thinking they can just call me whatever they want to when I already told you my name. I don't know how I'm gonna do. Let me pull this down. It might be annoying. um, I don't really know what. Maybe I'll try to do my makeup to match this dress. This is my sponge on the floor. I'll just choose a different one. I'm still gonna have to wash it, but I'm gonna use the black one. I should wash all of them. No, I'll just wash this one I'm about to use. Hold on. Okay, I was just trying to show y'all the dress. So that's what I was trying to do. That's all. So I'll be right back. Okay. Oh yeah, all of the sponges are the teardrop shape. Y'all remember I got these sponges in the it's in the ring light unboxing video is when I got these. I'm gonna put some foundation on. I forgot to shake this. Y'all remember I was talking about how thick it is? Oh my gosh, I shake so hard, made my ears itch. Y'all already know it's the Pacifica, a light, clean foundation. I love it. Yeah, I got the text from Amazon that I'm getting the wig and some bottles for some products that I'm making. They're all the same package. And then I thought I was getting it today, and then for some reason I thought I wasn't, but I am. I'm gonna put a little concealer on. Oh, I think I was saying I don't usually wear animal print, but my cousin gave me this dress and I need to wash clothes, so I don't really have anything else to put on. Oh my gosh. So yeah. Alright, I'm concealed. Well concealed enough. Do y'all use y'all makeup past the shelf life on the product? Because this NYX concealer, oh, it's 12 months. Oh, I'm still within range. So good. I think I had this for like 8 or 9 months. I don't need no setting spray because it don't matter if my makeup sets or not. Ooh, some money in here. I'm going to be using this bronzer on my eyelids. And I'm going to be using from this, this is a Pacifica Crystal Matrix. Eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this yellow. The yellow. I'm going to be using that. I think I'm going to put this bronzer all over. I'm going to just have to deal with that feeling of something falling out my eye. Alright, I'm going to have to use this mirror. This is a really pretty color though. Got a lot on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and then I'll come back and finish it. So it's not exactly like what I was imagining, but nonetheless, it's not bad. I did add some more yellow to this eye because I feel like I had more on this one. I'm gonna just use my e.l.f. No Budge liner to line my eyes. And I'm also gonna use this to line my lips, y'all already know. Okay, I lined my eyes. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. And it's in the color Very Black, like I like my man, of course. There you go. That's good. It's down. I was about to tell y'all something. I don't remember. Oh, I know what I was about to say. I don't know how long I'm supposed to keep this mascara. It may be 6 months. I think I don't know, my Pacifica is 6 or 12. But I ain't throwing these things in there. Oh, also, I saw some vegan lash glue on Amazon, but I don't want to pay $5.99 for something that I don't need and that I will barely use. So I won't be putting those lashes on in anytime soon. I wonder if I'm gonna get lashes in that with that wig that I'm getting today. My eyelashes feel thick. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna just line my lips and put the lipstick on. I'm not gonna contour, put no blush. I was gonna do highlighter, but I feel like my face looked good. I heard put this lipstick on because I'm running out of time, space on my memory card, I think, and also UPS truck might be out there. It looks good, I think. And we'll see if somebody in my yard. Okay, y'all, this is the look for today. It is going to be the look for that you will see in my week review, which will be Friday, I think. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it Friday, um, or upload it Friday. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming to see me. I appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at chastity.sierra and at love.life.gems. Follow me on Twitter at oh-so-lovely-is-she, and visit my Etsy shop, Love Life Gems. I will leave links to all of those in my description, in this video description. I appreciate y'all for watching. Please do good and be good. I'll see you on the World Wide Web. Bye.